In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the project start date in Microsoft Project. This walkthrough applies to the desktop versions, like Project Professional or Project Standard, and it will help you quickly shift your entire schedule when your project kickoff moves. Start by opening your project file and head to the ribbon at the top of the screen. Click the Project tab. This is your control center for high-level project settings, calendars, and schedule options. Next, look for the Properties group on that tab and select Project Information. This opens a dialog that controls your project's anchor dates and calculation settings. It's where Microsoft Project decides how to position everything on the timeline. In the Project Information window, locate the schedule from dropdown. Make sure it's set to Project Start Date. This tells Microsoft Project to drive the entire schedule forward from a single starting point. If it's set to Project Finish Date, the tool will try to schedule backward from an end date, which can lock you into a different planning approach. Keeping it on Project Start Date ensures your plan flows forward in time the way most project schedules do. Now, go to the Start Date field and choose the new date you want your project to begin. You can pick a date from the calendar or type it in. Take a moment to confirm this is the correct kickoff date for your plan, because it will become the baseline reference for how tasks line up. When you're ready, click OK. Microsoft Project will update the schedule and reposition automatically scheduled tasks based on dependencies, durations, and calendars. You'll see task start and finish dates shift accordingly, especially for tasks that depend on earlier work. If things don't seem to move after you change the start date, don't worry. A few common reasons can cause that. Tasks with actual start or finish dates already recorded won't automatically reschedule past what has actually happened. Hard constraints, like must start on or must finish on, can also lock tasks in place. And if automatic recalculation is off, changes won't ripple through the plan. To check that, go to File, then Options, open the Schedule section, and make sure calculation is set to On. Also remember that manually scheduled tasks don't automatically reposition unless you adjust them. That's it. By updating the project start date in Project Information, you're guiding how the entire plan is laid out, ensuring all automatically scheduled tasks align with your new kickoff. This keeps your timeline consistent, your dependencies intact, and your schedule easy to manage as plans evolve.